Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how I will create my own work computer on Ryzen 5 5600X. Let me show it. Okay, I'll use this. The base of the computer will be Aorus motherboard X570i, Aorus Pro WIFI. So, mini RTX build. Actually, yeah. Also, I have these M2 drives, SSD drives, one for system and for other files. Also, I have the memory, Kingston FURY, 32 gigabytes memory. Then I have this beautiful thing. It's a Gigabyte Vision OC 8 gigabytes, 3070 Ti. For the CPU cooling, I choose the Kraken 120 with only one fan here, and I selected only one fan because in my case I can install liquid cooling system with the two fans because there is too small space to install this under motherboard. So for example, my motherboard will be placed like this, and here is the cooling system in my ideas, of course. Here is the other fans. It's a Duo 12 Pro with RGB support. This is a controller. Controller. Yeah, I said it. Here we can see how it will be connected. How it should be connected, actually. So yeah, it will be very helpful when I'll build this. For the power, I'll use SFX form factor power supply at 800 from Cooler Master. It says make it yours. It already mine, it's mine. I bought it, so it's transition. Okay, I need a knife here.
Clearly I find myself living inside a shell. All of these pages can't got on my head. Mirrors that don't reflect all of the things that we do.
This is beautiful. CPU here. Autofocus, where are you?
Supersonic, my existence can't resist it. Supersonic.
production methods, you know. And for this step, we should install the CPU here.
Question our relation to the nation, our religion, supersonic, my existence can't resist us, can't resist us, can't resist us, can't resist us.
Just look at this. The motherboard is like I don't know, it's only half of the graphics card. Oh, fuck. Here's the image.
But I have to say that this is the most terrible part that was in this computer build. The fact is that in these frames I didn't not yet know about how I would suffer with this case. When I assembled the computer, I ran into a problem. The video card was heating up so much that I thought it burned down or something like this. It took me one day to understand that the problem was in the riser, so I just forgot to downgrade it to third generation, not the fourth, and it was all the problem. Uh, and yeah, I recorded the process of complete assembly on a time lapse, which you can see now.
The years have gone by, still my heart flutters when I'm with you.
Ain't a motherfucker like me, I'm the motherfucker like me, I'm the
Блин, я ебал. Пошел ты на... Да, сука, ебать.